What's going on, boaters? We just got in a 2026 Nautique G23. This boat is going to be the perfect surf boat for you and your family this summer. Let's check out a few features. Starting off in the back, you have your two transom seats, lots of storage in the rear here, so you can keep your surfboards, life jackets, ropes, anything you want back here. Coming into the boat, you have a huge transom walk-through, sea deck, so you're not stepping on the seats when you're coming into the boat. You're gonna have your rear convertible seat, lots of seating throughout the whole boat. You have your JL audio throughout the whole boat as well. You have RGB lighting, so color changing, whatever you want. This does flip up, so you can be facing the rear as well here. You have a nice big co-captain seat, driver's seat with the bolster cushion. You're gonna have your rotary, your volume knob, wireless phone charging throughout the whole boat, your big touchscreen display so you can change the wave, whatever you want at the touch of a button. You do have the power tower on here, so your controls are going to be right here to put it up and down. Coming to the bow of the boat, you have spacious seating up here. You have your armrest and more cup holders up here as well. And my favorite part is going to be your cooler in the center of the boat. Stays out of the way, nice and easy to get at. You're going to want to come check out this boat at MarineMax in Crosslake or visit it on our website at marinemax.com. Let's get you on the water this summer.